Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to AWS Systems Manager Session Manager, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate to AWS Systems Manager Session Manager, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Systems Manager service from the console. Ensure that your user account has the necessary permissions. You will need the EC2 instance to be managed by Systems Manager. Check that the EC2 instance is running and has the SSM agent installed. Confirm the instance is in a public or private subnet with access to the internet or VPC endpoints. Go to the Instance Management section and select your desired instance. Click on the Connect option. Choose Session Manager as your connection method. You will see the option to start a session. Click the Start Session button to initiate the connection. Session Manager will handle the authentication automatically. If this is your first time, a pop-up appears showing that a session has been established. You will now be in an interactive shell on the EC2 instance. You can begin executing commands as if you were logged in directly. Remember to log out of the session after completing your tasks. This ensures that your AWS environment remains secure. Now you know how to authenticate to AWS Systems Manager Session Manager using the AWS Management Console. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.